केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बने।
Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Kesaria Textile Company guys. Today's in this video, guys, in particular today's video, I am gonna classify it according to the states of India guys. Yeah, particularly I am have to show the saree like this one of the saree, and I have to say that this one is one of the highly running product in particular Rajasthan region or the Maharashtrian region or the Punjab region or the Gujarat region. Yeah guys, I have to classify those in this video, so please watch from the start to till the end. Many of the concepts you're going to be liked, many of the varieties you're going to be seen, and please know me all your queries in our comment section. Till the end of the video you can comment also. So first of all, in my hand I have to open these kind of the concept, like see guys, this will be one of the unique and famous pattern, in particular talking about the samosa lace kind of gotapatti work concept you're going to be getting on the border, and apart from that some of the beautiful Swarovski work stick also in these kind of the beautiful work also guys. See, beautiful concepts you're going to be getting, and in the camera you're going to be see that these kind of the beautiful concept also you're going to be getting. See, in these kind of the unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting, and apart from that many of the beautifully digitalized fully laced work on the both side of the border you're going to be mentioned guys. See guys, in this you're going to be getting beautiful sequenced work you're going to be getting, and guys particularly talking about the saree, you're going to be having without lace also and with lace also guys, but especially I'm going to showcasing this product you will be get in the lace concept. See, beautifully digitalized flowering concept you're going to be getting, and apart from that unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting guys. Yeah guys, if you're going to be hearing some of the another words, then I have to say you that some of the customers rush or there, that's why some of the misarrangement will be there, but let me continue the video and I have to show these kind of the beautiful concept. See guys, many of the beautiful varieties you're going to be seeing. See guys, Armani you're going to be getting in these kind of the variety. See guys, in this kind of the variety you're going to be saying, see, fully sequenced border work you're going to be getting, and apart from that many of the concept you're going to be getting guys. See, on the border you're going to be having some of these kind of the beautiful varied work also. See guys, and it one will be highly preferred or running in the Gujarati region you're going to be saying. See, like unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting in these kind of the concept, like see, on the concept same colors also you will be get, and let me remind you guys that this will be the packaging and concept you're going to be chain packaging concept you're going to be getting guys. Apart from that 4 pieces 5 pieces you're going to be getting. See, in this you will be get, this will be the model like the weightless silk crepe or some of the digitalized concept you're going to be getting. See guys, what will be the range, how many pieces you going to be want, and how many range or how many concepts you're going to be getting guys, like see. And let me tell you guys, there will be today some of the rush are there because of the customers, so there will be having any kind of the disarrangement also there, like you're going to be getting some of the unique concepts in our Kesaria Textile Company. And apart from that in these kind of the beautiful catalog work also you're going to be getting. Like, let me remind what will be the catalog kind of concept you're going to be getting. Like in particular catalog model, you're going to be getting this one of the concept. Like, see, Kundan Meena, you're going to be getting fully, you're going to be getting in this kind of the concept. 4 piece, 5 piece, 6 piece, how many pieces and how many designs and how many colors you're going to be getting. All you will be get at the ranges of very beautiful concept, guys. So guys, please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. And apart from that, many of the concepts you're going to be getting, guys, because we provide you video call facility also. Yeah, if you're not able to come here and visit our company, then we provide video call facility also. On that video call facility, whatever the range, whatever the concept, you are going to be selecting, the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. So no need to worry about the product delivery, guys. We provide worldwide shipping concept also. So guys, in this video, that's all. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, आपकी दुकान है या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप नाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने में। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया। साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।